Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be filming a little cook with me segment, a little Christmas baking.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me with a smile.
So today I'm going to be making crumble cookies. So these are kind of festive sprinkle cookies and they are going to be so good. So I'm going to show you how I make them. If you've never heard of CRUMBL before, it's like a cookie company that makes these like super big delicious cookies. So I wanted to make them from you. I've made these now I think a few times and they are so yummy, so I can't wait to show you. And I will leave all of the instructions and the link below to the person who created this recipe, and they are seriously phenomenal, and my Nana made me this. But first we are going to start off with the dough. So we're going to start with creaming the butter, the sugar, and the powdered sugar together until it's smooth and creamy. So you do half a cup of butter. I just have this. Okay, so we have half a cup of butter, and I just have my KitchenAid mixer over here on the side. It does all of the hard work for me, so I don't have to sit here and like move my arm all around. 1/3 of a cup of sugar. There we go. 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so next I'm going to whisk in an egg, cake batter extract, vanilla extract until it's all combined. So we have 1 egg, half a teaspoon of cake batter extract, and this stuff smells so good. Extract. Flour. So it's 1.5 cups of flour. Next, I'm going to add in half a teaspoon of salt, and then 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Okay, so now I have the batter. And what I like about this recipe is that it doesn't make like so many cookies that you're kind of like in a rush to like eat them all. Like it makes like it's supposed to make 6 big cookies, but what I do is I half those cookies because they're so large. So this is what the batter looks like. Now these are ready to go in the oven. Okay, so now that those are in the oven, I am going to clean up and then I'm going to start on the icing. Okay, so next I'm going to be making the icing for the cookies. So you have to put in 4 ounces, oh god, 4 ounces of cream cheese. I don't know how much that is. 114 grams. Mom, do you know how much 4 ounces of cream cheese is? Oh, okay, it's 118, so it would be like half a cup.
So if you're looking at the measurements on it.
Yeah, a cup of cream cheese. So I'm gonna put that in there. That's 1 tablespoon. So now that that is all, we are going to add half a cup of powdered sugar. So I'm gonna add. Okay, and to finish it off, you're gonna add 1/4 of a teaspoon of cake batter. Okay, so now we are going to decorate the cookies. This is what they look like. Do them like that. That is what they look like. So now I have my icing in its little tube thing. I don't know if that part's gonna work, but let's get to icing. There they are. Here, Frank. Cookies. Red loves cookies. Yeah, cookie, 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 cookies. Good boy. Okay, so now we have the final product like you just saw, and now I'm going to taste test one of the little cookies. So I made them kind of small so I can get a bunch. This is a good cookie. Perfect. So good. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in my next VLOGMAS video. Bye!